The women's questions arose in modern India as a part of the 19th century social reform movement. What are the major issues and debates concerning women in that period? 250 words, 15 marks. Introduction. The 19th century social reform movement in India was a crucial time of awakening and change, focusing on various issues that affected women's lives. This movement aimed to challenge and change social customs and practices that harmed women's status in society. Body. The major issues and debates concerning women during the 19th century included Sati. Reformers like Raja Ram Mohan Roy and Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar opposed this practice, leading to the Bengal Sati regulation in 1829, which made Sati illegal. Female infanticide. The killing of girl infants due to a preference for male children was a critical issue. Reformers raised awareness about the value of female lives and campaigned against this inhumane practice. Child marriage. Child marriages were widespread, and reformers aimed to increase the minimum age of marriage for girls. The Age of Consent Act of 1891 was a key step in this effort. Widow remarriage. Reformers advocated for widows' rights to remarry, leading to the Hindu Widows Remarriage Act of 1856. Women's education. Advocates like Savitribai Phule emphasized the need for women's education, arguing that it would empower women and benefit society. Parda system. The Parda system restricted women's freedom. Reformers argued for its abolition to enhance women's development. Women's legal rights. The lack of legal rights regarding inheritance and property was a significant concern. Reformers pushed for legal reforms to grant women equal rights in society. Conclusion. The social reform movement in India played a vital role in addressing women's issues, laying the groundwork for future advancements in women's rights and gender equality. The debates and reforms from this period continue to shape ongoing efforts toward gender equality in modern India.